how to use the best herb to beat your hay fever naturally within 24 hours or less. Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you heal your digestion so you have all the energy to bring your gifts into the world. My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com, and I'm so excited about sharing with you my favorite way to use these stingy friends for helping you finally relieve hay fever. I know this can be a big issue. I suffered from allergies the first 25 years of my life. I'm really with you if you're one of them, and it's close to my heart to be able to support you, heal your hay fever, so you can just live your life and enjoy spring, enjoy summer, lie on the grass and just really be out there without brain fog, without feeling tired, no itchy eyes, no sneezing. You're just gonna be energetic and make the best out of your life. There are many ways to use nettle. I'm going to share my favorite two with you. The first one is the classical type. It's a tea, making stinging nettle tea. If you know you have hay fever and it comes up every year, I recommend you, if it's not too late already for this year, to start with drinking stinging nettle tea 1 month before the allergy normally starts. This is just because stinging nettle works immediately, but it also helps your body to detoxify and to lower your histamine sensitivity. So the longer you use it, the more the effect. It's like a compound effect. It builds up. So now the tea, you would use either one bunch, a handful of fresh leaves into water. Just let them boil once, and then you can drain them, but you don't have to. You can also just leave them in there and drink this 1 liter of nettle tea over the day. If you can't get fresh nettles, no problem. You can also use dried nettles. You can buy them anywhere in the next health store or over the internet. Just make sure, if possible, it's organic so we don't have any pesticides on them. Okay guys, this is probably nothing new. That's the classical way to use nettles, but it's very powerful, and I recommend you to combine this with the second way to use nettles that I'm going to share with you right now. I'm going to be really excited because I just had the first this year. So what it is basically a green power smoothie that I called Stinging Banana. And as you hear that, you might think already, oh, I know the ingredients. Yes, you do. It's 3 to 4 ripe bananas. Ripe means there are brown spots. The peel goes off super easily. You have the intense banana smell. So we make sure that you have the highest nutrient density and your body can really easily digest bananas. It's awesome for your body because it also contains potassium, great for your muscles. And on top, it's a natural antihistamine food, just like our powerful green friend, the nettle. So then you have the 3 to 4 bananas in the blender. And what you now do, you add as much fresh nettles as you can. There is no limitation. You can't overdose nettles, don't worry. Put as much in as possible. And if you want to make it extra tasty, if you like a even more awesome stinging banana smoothie, you can add a few mint leaves as well. This gives the extra taste, but it's optional. You don't have to. Now, if you're watching this and you think, oh no, I live in the subtropics. I know that when I lived on Tenerife, I couldn't find any stinging nettles. So if that's the case for you, if you live somewhere where you just can't get any fresh nettles, don't worry, you can still get all the benefits. The best way to use them then is get the organic leaf tea. And for the smoothie, you can make the smoothie. I did that, tastes awesome as well. What you can get is organic nettle leaf powder. That is not expensive. You easily get hold of it in the internet. I put you a link down below from the one that I tested, that I recommend. And the way to use it is you get the powder, you have your 3 to 4 bananas in the blender, and then you add 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried nettle leaf powder, press play, and you're gonna have an awesome breakfast. You can also have it for lunch or in the afternoon. Just make sure you drink it immediately once it is done, because then the enzymes start working. If you do these 2 things, you're gonna be on a very good direction. Goodbye hay fever. And it's great to combine them as well. So do this 1 liter drinking nettle tea throughout the day, can be also cold. And then once a day you have your nettle smoothie, your stinging banana smoothie with or without mint. And you're going to beat this hay fever in no time. Thank you for watching. In the next videos, we're going to look into why so many of us are allergic and what's really behind this allergy. Because To say that up front, to share the secret up front, it has nothing to do with your immune system. Your body is not wrong, it's not attacking itself, it's not going crazy. There's something else behind that, and it's not difficult to understand. I'd love to welcome you as part of our Gut Feelings community. If you'd like to join, hit the subscribe button and you're always going to be up to date with the newest videos. Have a lovely day, hopefully completely allergy free, no itchy eyes, no brain fog, no tiredness. There is a way and you're going to walk it. It's possible. See you in the next video. Bye bye.